udon wraps. Okay guys, today we are going to cook all this together in one pot. Beef, bongo and bonpas. And here we got papaks. The papaks with leng masels. We are going to cook with ngari. Now I'm adding the bongsa inside the cooker. And next we are adding onion, garlic, ginger, and the samalchas king chili, and adding some salt, cilantro leaf, wild coriander. And now it's time to cook. We are going to cook for 5, 6 vessel at the and I already open it again, and for the last I'm going to add this cilantro leaf again. And this is it. The cooking of beef and bongsa is up to this, and we are going to cook the papaks, the wild mushroom. I already add the fermented fish, salt and king chili, so I'm just adding now the wild papaks mushroom. Smells good, and I'm adding the leng masels. I don't know in English the leng masels, I just call it the leng masels. It's already ready to have it. So this is the bones and the flesh. We're going to have this in a boil, and here it is the bongsas, and here it is the wild mushroom with the leng masels, ngari, and the samalchas. This is the soup, the meat. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you see, today we're going to have beef curry with cooking in a simple way. What? And here we got the mushroom, wild mushroom, and we got here with the soup and mga onion, wild onion, also coriander, wild. Here we got long beans and clear water. Okay, let's pray. Amen. Let's hit it, baby. Có sộp lại hôn man sẽ can ho có tung cá lại. Today we're going to have bukangs. Sana very hot. Hit hot day o kabong sa Honda ne. Khem khat day ho imu theng do. Hane thit do. Mushroom with leng masels and samalchas. I hope it's going to be a good one. Okay, camera ho hoy na mo.
Yummy. Nhìn thì nhẹ. Wow, tùy toàn wraps. So good. Mà giá cho thẳng thế hả? Dùng là tùy nữa. So good. Tùy được rồi. Thẳng thôi. Thật thấu. Thật đáng sợ. Còn nhiều like con mùi nhưng last bite. Yeah. Nasal. If you go down it, I'll copy them. Don't forget to copy my cooking style for this one. Okay. My little bro are waiting for this one. So let me stop eating here and yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.